Okay, we have 5 things that we are doing here. They give us some pieces of information that we'll need here. And we're going to start out by journalizing our adjusting entries for accrued interest income and accrued interest expense on December 31st. And so to do that, our first line, so our date is December 31st. Our account will be interest receivable. Document number will be blank. And so okay, so we're going to go to our question information to get this information, and we're going to have to use a formula. And so we're going to take our $10,000 times 6%, which is 600, and then we need to do it as a fraction of our year. So we had for 120, so I'm first just going to have 120 divided by 360. So 0.33 times the 600 gets me 200. So 200 in my debit. And then my second line is interest income, credit of 200. And then journalize our adjusting and accrued interest. Okay. Okay, sorry, I keep getting interrupted. I'm going to be honest with you, this chapter is one of our more difficult ones, and I feel like they don't give an overall good explanation of how to calculate this. So I'm going to go ahead and grade this just so we can see the correct answers, because I also don't have an answer key. So I'm going to go ahead and click grade so we can see what we needed to do. And okay, so here we have our correct answers. So I will go back right now and tell you how exactly we are calculating those amounts. Okay, to calculate the first one then, where I had messed up with that amount, was, so we already did the 10,000 times our rate, which we know is 600. Then, because it wasn't over yet, so that was where I had my mistakes. So then I'm going to take from November 16th to December 31st, which is 45 days. And I'm going to do that divided by the 360. So 45 divided by 360 and get 0.125. Then I will multiply that by that $600 we already calculated. And so then I get $75. So same process here for our note payable. So 12,000 times 6% gets me 720. And then I need to calculate the amount of time for this note. So that should be 30 days from December 1st to the 31st. So 30 divided by the 360. So we'll take that times now I already forgot what our other one was. 12,000 times the 6. Okay, 720. So 720. 30 divided by 360. Okay, so that times 720, which got me my $60 here for that.